Good morning, everyone. My name is Simon from Teradici. I wanted to give you a quick video overview of the real-world experience of using PCoIP protocol coupled with VMware 5.2 and the Teradici Apex 2800 offload card. I'm actually sitting here in my home office connected over the public internet in Queensland, Australia to Burnaby in British Columbia, Canada, which is our corporate head office. All of the Teradici employees' desktops are actually hosted out of our head office. You know, we live and eat our own dog food, so to speak. And I'm connected 7,500 miles away, and really the performance is just fantastic. It's exactly like I would be if I was on a PC within my corporate LAN. So let's have a quick look here. I'm going to go over to this little folder I put on the desktop. It's got some little applications I want to use. So we've got the sample pictures out of the Windows 7 directory. Let's go and quickly open those. One thing you'll notice is as I click, the image will be crisp and come straight up. So here, let's go. Let's click. Change picture. Okay, and again, change picture. And again, change picture. And again, change picture. So you can see that the response time or the user experience is as you would expect on a PC. And that's really important when you're using a virtual desktop. You know, whether I'm sitting here on my Zero client, whether I'm using my MacBook in the field, or whether I'm using my iPad or an Android device or a Windows laptop, I need my desktop to be responsive. So we're going to close that picture viewer. We're going to go back over here. I've got a Office 2010 PowerPoint presentation. And I often love to give my presentations using the real virtual desktop connected over a 3G connection. To give you an example of the user experience, let's take this full screen. And what we're going to do is go through these slides, and I'm going to exaggerate the click so you can hear it, so you know that the response time of each of the windows. So let's go change slides now. 1, and change slides again. 2, change slides again. 3, and you can see the response is fantastic. Okay, and we're going to jump through here a couple of slides, and we'll go again. Right, it's as a PC would be, as you would expect it to be. And also, if I go back, you know, forward and back, it doesn't matter. It's real time. So I'm going to escape out of that application. I'm going to close down PowerPoint 2010 and open up a PDF. It's a 1 meg PDF document. Interestingly, this is a best practice document that we recommend every customer looks at on how to optimize the PCoIP protocol on your network. Being that it's a UDP protocol, you need to look at how you design and architect your priority and quality of service to make sure the user experience is real time. So let's just jump through the PDF. You know, historically PDFs have been something that have been the bane of existence, especially using the RDP protocol. But let's go and jump through here. It's back in my window now, and every time I click, the application responds. There's no pixelation of my application or the presentation layer. There's no pixelation of the fonts or the text within my environment, and it is real time, as you would expect. Now, one of the other things I like to do is play a little video. So I'm just going to bring up that video and pause that video for a second, and we'll bring up a little basic application called Notepad at the same time. You know, and what we're going to do is we're going to play the video for a second. I'm going to turn the volume up just for a minute so you can hear it. Bear in mind, this is 7,500 kilometers away, miles away, apologies, over the public internet.
The name of this trip is basically to travel from Edinburgh to Skye. Been back in my village at Dunvegan, it's going to be cool.
Helplessly needless and needless to say I owe you. I'm helplessly needless and needless to say I owe you. Will I wait 10,000 clicks for just one more chance? Just one more chance.
So I'm just turning the volume down now so you can see that the quality is fantastic. The synchronization of the voice and the video display to the user is as you would expect on a real desktop. Okay, true network experience delivered using the PCoIP protocol. And it really kind of highlights the capability within the VMware View 5.2 environment and the protocol coupled together to deliver the best experience. You know, and if I was to, for example, go and use an application at the same time, and we'll type over here, PC over IP really rocks. Okay, typically a video in other host-based desktop environments or virtual desktops, you know, you may not have the CPU available to run the application as well as what's in the foreground, such as the video. So we're just going to go over here and go, select all. You're going to go over here and fill the font. And this could be Office or anything, but I'm giving you a basic example here. And we're going to click that. My application is responsive. I can move my app around the window, around the desktop. I can go and use my task menu. And the reason is that we're offloading the encoding of the protocol to silicon by using the Apex card and not using the vCPU for those core task-based cycles. So I hope that just gave you a quick overview of some of the capabilities and the power within the virtual desktop and how mature it has really come over the last couple of years. Also in my blog, you'll see a little snippet image of the bandwidth test that I just did before this blog, showing you the distance, the latency, and my uplink and downlink speed. So it's just standard public internet, you know, that you go and buy for your home user experience. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and ping me a question. Thanks very much for your time.